Hey everyone, it's Donna with you today, sharing a card that I created using the new Daisy Girl kit from Unity Stamp Company. And she's such a pretty image. I stamped that out and chose Copic markers to color that in. And as you can see, I started shading that, and I won't show you all the coloring, but as I was finished, I like to go around the outside with a gray color, or any color that you like actually, but I usually choose gray to shadow that in a little bit. And then I chose the stitched alphabet die from Craftin Divas, but tons of craft companies make the stitched dies, and you could use any that you like for this particular design. I cut those out using my Big Shot and matted that onto a coordinating piece of designer paper. And I believe I picked up that kit at our Ollie's, which is a discount market, like $2 maybe a couple years ago. But I thought it looked pretty with Daisy Girl, so I used that one. I added the 3D dimensional tape to the back of my stitch letters, and I staggered it just a little so that you could see the darkness around from the designer paper, and added those and popped them up. And then I just adhered the card into the base, and as you can see, it was a super simple card using this beautiful kit. I made 3 versions of it, and you can see those in the next slide. And I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.